Hey y'all, today's video I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look. It's gonna be a Disney princess. It's gonna be Jasmine off Aladdin. I really like the colors, the blue and the browns and the gold, whatever. But I figured, I was looking through my palettes and I was trying to find the colors I wanted. And of course I picked up 35H Hotspot, and I think they have all the colors that I need to do this look with, what I'm shooting for. But I'm kind of shooting towards over here, and then we'll see what I can come up with. And then I finally got this. It's Milani eyeshadow primer. It is in Nude Chair, a lightweight invisible finish. I've heard nothing but good things about this primer. Put this, I already have my face on, threw some brows on, but I wanted to try this primer out because I've heard that it's like Urban Decay primer. So one of my viewers told me to try this out, and I'm gonna try this out and test it out. All right, first let me try to open this first. It's such a pretty day outside. It is beautiful. I love it. All right, so let me get my brush. Find me a brush here. And I've been using this e.l.f. brush. God, I've had it forever. I use it to set my eyes, you know, put concealer on and set my eyes. So I really like this brush a lot. I don't know if y'all haven't experienced it or whatever. Milani's, it's pretty expensive, but I heard nothing but good things about Milani. I'm gonna set it with translucent powder. I'm using Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe. Okay, I am just picking up a JH33. Flow it out, wing it out just a little bit. There's so much going on in the beauty world. Poor Jacqueline. She stays in the damn news. Poor thing. I feel for her. Palette not being vegan, non-vegan. It's supposed to be non-vegan. It's just a hot mess. Hot mess. I'm dipping back into this color again. I don't want any harsh lines. Blending it out. I always have like a napkin or a rag next to me so I don't have a color switch yet. I need to order one. I need to just take the time out and order a color switch. But I usually take a napkin or a towel and have it nearby. I'm going to take the JH41 into this color, and I'm packing it right now. I'm going to go to my JH42. Okay, now I'm going to go back with my JH33, dipping into that dark brown I used earlier, my crease, and I'm just kind of blending. I want bluer, like, y'all, I found this in my drawer. It's iStudio color. It is in, I don't even know, Blue Blowout. Y'all, this palette is so old. Much better. Yes, Maybelline. I'll dip into this color right here. I'm just using these colors, see what. I'll dip into the silver color right here. I'm dipping that dark brown shade in the 35H. Let's do a wing line. Let's get my liner out, my eyeliner out. Let's just do the Wet n Wild in black. If I was you guys, I would go ahead and do your eyes before you do your face. I'm gonna take Maybelline Studio Gel in black. And I'm taking an angled brush from Morphe. This lasts all day if you do this kind of liner. And I'll take that brown and smoke it out with that brown. Alright, then I'm going to take this skin tone eyeshadow color. Actually, wait. I'm going to pick up this lighter brown shade that I started with. A skin tone eyeshadow color. And then go underneath it. Blend those two colors out. I'm going to take this gold shade. Well, let me take this gold shade. Let me see which one I want. I'm going to take this shade right here. We'll see what it looks like on my inner corner. My niece is 5 and she's into Disney princesses and she is my princess. I'm going to do a little bit right here. Alright, you guys, so let me go off camera and do the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I use the Maybelline Studio, Eye Studio, in Blue Blowout. I used the 2 blues in that and then the silver, and then I used this shade, this shade, and this shade, and this shade. And then I used the gold for my inner corner. So yeah, this is my quick go-to Jasmine from Aladdin eyeshadow tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Until next time.